daw, yung pinili mo dati, na pinakabatang drafty, nung ikay nagko-coach pa.
Oh, Big Bo Belga. Hello to you, Big Bo.
The number 2 pick
and I
in this
hope you're ready to play in the next conference.
John, let's hear the next pick.
Yes, the next pick is the 10th pick in the 4th round, and puntahan natin ang Rain or Shine.
The staff, the management, you know, the teammates.
Rain or Shine.
Can't wait to get to work with them.
Kyle Tolentino.
Kyle Tolentino will join the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters as the 10th pick in the 4th round.
Yeah, 100%. I met with him like 2 weeks ago,
Sa Rain or Shine, halos bumuuna na isa bang team.
I love their plan for me, and you know, we're all on the same page, and our goal is to win a championship.
Available at the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters.
Tsaka puro quality pa eh, ang dami pang
How
quality.
do you like your team? Parang ang tatapat nyo, even in the third position. We got a young core.
Isang average player and make him a superstar in the PBA. That has been part of the calling card of Coach Yeng Yao. Yung bang diamonds in the rough, tapos all of a sudden, magiging a very precious diamond.
How big is that?
Meron do that at that
player na
high level,
sumatangkad.
and yung napakaraming manlalaro na ganun naging istorya sa PBA.
And they know how to play the right way. How's the Converge Magnolia game for you? It's exciting, yeah. Can't wait for that matchup. You know, having an INPBA, you know, something we got to balance.
Played in Letron and college, but traces his roots back to New York and the East Coast of the USA. 45 names have been chosen so far tonight dito sa loob ng SM MOA Music Hall. 45 of the 122 na nag-apply will be with you guys all night long hanggat meron pa pumipili. Andito tayo sa Sports 5.
Tuloy-tuloy tayo dito sa PBA.
Thank you.